Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unbagging for Ipsy and it's super cool this month. It has a constellation and this is my favorite part. It has a little gem in there. Probably my favorite bag maybe I've gotten from them. And inside we do have cards now that show the products, which I love. But they added that. And then the back of the bag's just plain. It says Ipsy at the bottom. So super cute. Just need to cut that off, but let's take a look. So the first item is by Phase Zero, Mush A Boom Pressed Eyeshadow. Take a look. I would assume it's like a grayish color. Super hard for me to open the package, but that's what that looks like. Really pretty. I like that shade. Next up, we have 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. And here's the packaging for that. Super cute. I'll have to read more about that on the card. Then we also have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And it literally looks like a water gel type thing. And it does have a light watermelon scent. So that's exciting. Can't wait to try that. Next up, we have Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And here's what that packaging looks like. It is sealed in here. So I'm just going to leave that sealed because I'm not ready to use that yet. But we'll definitely use that. Could always use black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Inside the bag's really pretty too. It's like a navy color. And the last item in there is from Ofra. And this is a lip gloss. I like that. Real subtle tint to it and some shine. So let's take a look at the card. So it looks like the eye gel is supposed to reduce puffiness and hydrate. We have sleeping mask, eyeliner, lip gloss, and eyeshadow. So really good bag this month. And then on the bag, it says new. You're going to be able to choose a product every month, which is what you could do with Birchbox. You could add add-ons and get $50 value of every glam bag. So it's really awesome. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.